Heavy rain and landslides are interfering with the search for survivors of a powerful earthquake that shook northeastern India Sunday. The earthquake measured 6.9 and was centered in Sikkim state. However, it also shook several nearby countries. At least 63 people were killed in the quake. Most of those victims are Indians. Indian Air Force helicopters dropped food near villages in Sikkim late Monday. Rescue workers also cleared a major road to Sikkim's state capital and re-established power. But many villages remain unreachable. An Indian border police officer said 400 survivors have moved to temporary shelters.